Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen style in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper. Go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on home settings and click on home screen style. By default it is set to drawer. Okay, that means all apps are not shown in the home screen. If you draw like this, then only apps will be open. Okay, so this is called a drawer. Suppose if you would like to change to other option, standard one, choose first one. Okay, so display all apps on the home screen. It will display all apps in the home screen itself. See here, all apps are showing in the home screen itself. Okay, so in this way you can easily change to change his home screen style in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.